Welcome back to FooDooloo, the channel where we turn your kitchen into a culinary playground. Today, we're diving into the world of indulgence with a delectable treat that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth: Chocolate Fudge Pop Tarts. Get ready to embark on a delicious journey as we guide you through the step-by-step process. Before we begin, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. 1 package of refrigerated pie crust dough, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg for egg wash, optional, powdered sugar for dusting. Now that we have everything we need, let's get started. Begin by rolling out your pie crust dough into a large rectangle. You want it to be thin, but not too thin, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Next, let's create our luscious chocolate filling. Sprinkle the chocolate chips evenly over 1/2 of the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. In a separate bowl, mix together the sweetened condensed milk and vanilla extract until well combined. Now, drizzle this heavenly mixture over the chocolate chips, ensuring they're evenly coated. Carefully fold the other half of the dough over the filling, creating a giant chocolate-filled pocket. Press the edges firmly to seal in all that chocolatey goodness. To give our Pop-Tarts that classic look, use a fork to crimp the edges. This will also help ensure they stay sealed during baking. Now, using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, cut the giant dough pocket into individual Pop-Tarts. You should get about 8 to 10 Pop-Tarts, depending on how big you want them. Transfer your Pop-Tarts onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a bit of space between each one. In a small bowl, beat an egg and brush it over the tops of the Pop-Tarts. This will give them a beautiful golden finish when baked. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Then pop those beauties in and let them bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're golden brown and the chocolate is oozing out. And there you have it, folks. Freshly baked chocolate fudge Pop-Tarts that are guaranteed to satisfy your cravings. For an extra touch of sweetness, you can dust your Pop-Tarts with powdered sugar before serving. Just look at that gooey chocolate filling. Trust me, once you try these homemade Pop-Tarts, you'll never go back to the store-bought ones again. Thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy baking!